Hey everybody, it's Christine, and today I am up at the scrap room with a very simple, basic layout using the Vicky Boutin Kaleidoscope page kit from this month's kit. This one is from the Flavors of the Month kit, and you can see I've started things off by tearing this heart paper and using that on the edges, and then I'm using the craft cardstock that came in the collection kit as my base. And then I'm just gonna lightly pull those edges up and basically make them even more distressed. And then I'm going to make this into a multi-photo layout. So I'm going to use 3 different pictures, and this is a picture of my kids using one of those Kiwi kits, the science kits, and this one was to make like this color spinner thing. I know there's a technical name for it. What it is, I'm drawing a blank on at the moment, but I thought these pictures, like, they were just sitting around, and it's something I wanted to remember that we did. And so I thought, what better to use it for than a really colorful layout. And I also had like words and stuff that would go well for the title. So I opted to go down this route with this one. So you can see I've got the 3 pictures. They're matted in white. And then I'm using some of the other patterned paper from this collection to tuck underneath them and create some layers just to help ground them a little bit. Otherwise they would get a little bit lost on the page there, and so that was a good way to ground them, as well as to bring in some more paper and just a different look. Now I'm going to pull out all of the embellishments that came both with this kit and in the embellishment kit and continue to build my layout. As a reminder, the ScrapRoom Kit Club is a non-commitment club, and you can get several different types of kits. This one specifically is the Flavors of the Month kit, which comes with 4 different page kits that give you a taste of each collection. And it's a great way to just be able to try a lot of new scrapbooking supplies every month. You don't get the whole collection by any means. You just get a little smidgen of it. 3 patterned papers, some embellishments, and then you can always buy the embellishment add-on kit or the patterned paper add-on kit to get even more. But what I have found is that this is just a fun thing to open every month. It's fun to be able to try 4 new collections every month without having to go out and break the bank. And it gives me a chance to try things that maybe I wouldn't try otherwise. A lot of them I obviously would be interested in trying, but every once in a while there's one that I'm like, never would have thought I liked that, but I actually really like it. So it's a really fun way to get a sampling of what's the newest and best out there in the scrapbooking world. You also get a little Flavors of the Month coffee sample, and that's always a fun little addition. And you can be a part of our group on Facebook. We have a group where we have challenges and ideas and tons of ideas for your kits, as well as we have videos and just lots of things to help take care of you once you've got the kit in hand. So don't feel like you're left on an island trying to figure things out, because you definitely are not. Now, let's get back to finishing off this layout. You can see already I've got a really good base. Very, very simple. And I am adding on some words. These are puffy stickers from this collection. They're not... They're a different kind of puffy. I don't know how to describe them. Puffy enamel almost. They're very different, but they're also really nice. They add a nice texture. They just have a different feel to me from a lot of the other puffy stuff out there. And maybe it's just because they're thin. But they definitely add that texture and dimension to your layout that we all know and love. And so, like I had said in the beginning, I really thought this title would be perfect, colorful, and fun. And then I'm going to just add a few little word stickers on here. I will add some journaling off camera, and I've got just a really simple, quick layout. Now, sometimes it's fun to really commit a massive chunk of time to a really detailed, spectacular layout. And sometimes you just want something that's quick, simple, tells the story, and you don't want to spend your whole evening working on it. And this is definitely the case with this one. So if you're stuck with this collection, this one can come together for you really quickly. And it's still got some very trendy things like the puffy stickers, the colors, the torn paper, but it's simple. not over the top on a workload, no stitching, none of that stuff. So there you have it, quick, clean, simple, with the Vicki Boutin Kaleidoscope page kit, all from the Scrap Room. Be sure to check out those kits this month before they sell out, and we will see you again next time with another page.